Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious tuna sandwich. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready on your counter. You'll need 1 can of tuna, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Don't forget any optional additions like a 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery or a tablespoon of diced red onion. Having everything at hand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that perfect tuna salad. Take your drained tuna and place it into a bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. If you like, incorporate a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt for flavor. Gently mix everything together with a fork until the tuna is flaked and evenly coated. This ensures every bite is packed with deliciousness. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. Take 2 slices of your favorite bread, perhaps a hearty whole wheat or a soft white. Carefully spread the prepared tuna salad evenly across one slice, ensuring good coverage from edge to edge. If you enjoy a little crunch, add a crisp lettuce leaf or a thin slice of tomato before topping it with the second piece of bread. Your delicious tuna sandwich is now ready to be enjoyed. For easier eating, you can cut it in half, either diagonally for a classic look or straight down the middle. Serve it alongside a handful of crunchy potato chips or a crisp pickle spear. Remember, you can always customize your sandwich with a dash of hot sauce or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for an extra zing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.